Don't go anywhere. I get the latest Bitcoin, crypto, and blockchain news for you on what you need to know about crypto. All right, thanks for watching. If you caught the Super Bowl last night, you saw the New England Patriots win their 6th-time Super Bowl championship. I know a lot of people think that that game came down to defense, but it didn't. The two things it came down to was heart and conditioning. And I think all of us could take a note from the New England Patriots and add those two things into our lives because it's important to have conditioning. And what conditioning does for you is when the times get rough, it gives you the strength and the endurance to push through those hard times, whether it's in your life, your relationship, or your business. So ways you can increase conditioning is to incorporate daily routines in your life. So when you wake up, are you stretching? Are you drinking water? Are you eating healthy? Are you exercising? Doing those things on a daily basis will build your conditioning. And then when times are tough, like I said, in your life or in your business, you can rely on that conditioning to get you through those tough times. Next thing is heart. Okay. Heart's important because when you see those opportunities and everyone's down, is you can take advantage of those opportunities like New England did late in the 4th quarter. How you build heart is you keep pushing yourself to get better every single day. So reading, studying, learning, all right, new challenges, overcoming your weaknesses, building upon your strengths. That builds heart. Heart and consistency are highly related. And what happens when you develop your heart in your subconscious, it makes a commitment that you're not going to give up when times are rough. Bill Belichick had a great quote I watched on NFL Films one time. He said, hard work is like money in the bank. It's there when you need it most. And we saw that Sunday night when New England defeated the Rams late in the 4th quarter. So my goal to you, my mission to you is develop those two things in your life, in your business, and you'll be successful in anything you do. Okay, so let's jump into let's jump into what's going on in the crypto market. So the price of Bitcoin has seen its lowest volatility that it has in years. And in fact, it's actually less volatile than some of the major stock indexes. So the Bitcoin price over the past 30 days has been in about the 3,500 mark. Early January, it jumped up to about 4,000 and then it immediately dropped back down to the 3,600 and it's been teetering around 33, 34, 35 and a little bit above that right there. I still think long term, the price of Bitcoin is going to be significantly higher than it is now, significantly higher than its $20,000 all-time high. I haven't seen traders talking about how they think short term it could dip a little bit. A lot of people are doing research over Bitcoin interest online and they think that it's down, although I don't think that's really important for Bitcoin. At the end of the day, I think the price of Bitcoin is going to be tremendously higher than what it is right now. It's just going to take a little bit of time to get there. But short term, I would anticipate that the price of it is going to go back down a little bit. Okay, the next piece of news, the QuadrigCX exchange has another court case tomorrow, and they're trying to get credit protection. So if you haven't been keeping up with this, the CEO passed away back in December, and he was the only one who had access to all their private keys. So basically, they lost over $100 million of investor money that they had sitting on the exchange, and they believe it's to be in cold storage. Now, there are some reports saying that this could possibly be an exit scam. I haven't done enough research to believe that, but at the moment, it seems like over $100 million of investor money that are using their exchange could be lost forever. They do have possession of the CEO's laptop. It is encrypted. They have not been able to get any private keys off of it, but one of the major concerns that they're looking at is after the CEO passed away, they were still accepting people's money on the exchange. And there are reports that they were using fractal banking practices and that the amount of money they have on there isn't as liquid as reports that QuadrigaCX was putting out there. So this is going to be real interesting. What credit protection does is it keeps people from suing them, from not allowing them to get their money out. So we're going to see how this goes. Hopefully they're able to get a hold of the private keys. If you have Bitcoin or something on an exchange and you can get it off and put it in your own hard wallet or cold storage, I would do that immediately because crypto exchanges are a little bit different than stock exchanges. Stock exchanges don't store people's money on there. Crypto exchanges do, and we've seen this for the past 2 years. Crypto exchanges getting hacked, keys getting lost, something going on, and investors losing their money. So take your coins off the exchange and put it into your wallet just in case something happens to it, especially if you're on an exchange that's not as big as Coinbase or Binance or something like that. Get your cryptos off of there. Okay, the last piece of news is Kraken dropped $100 million on a crypto startup in Europe that allows them to sell derivatives. Now, this is big for Kraken because it's going to allow them immediate access to the European market where they can sell Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum futures, and other types of crypto-related derivatives. And it's going to allow lots of people to get all sorts of different investment options than they traditionally have in Europe. So this is big for crypto. This is big for Bitcoin. This is a major company, a San Francisco-based company, spreading its arm globally, and we can only anticipate crypto to benefit from this mutual partnership right here. So this is going to be an awesome thing to see. It's a huge deal, a $100 million deal, and we're excited to see it. Thanks for watching What You Need to Know About Crypto. We come live every Tuesday and Saturday. Thanks for tuning in. Check out our YouTube page. Subscribe to it. Follow us at crusader.com/blognation, where you can check out all our other videos, articles, and crypto information. Thanks for watching. I'm Drew. See you later.